Hello Gear subscribers, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can install and download an application called Twitter on your iPhone or iPad. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments. Let's get started. For this, you need to go to the standard application on your iOS device, which is called Apple Store. Go to it. Then click on the search box, and then we need to write the word Twitter. As you know, this app has changed its name now. It looks like this. We click on Set. After that, we will be asked to enter our Touch ID or enter the password from Apple ID. As soon as we enter it, we will immediately download our application. You need to wait a few minutes. If you have a good internet, then you can literally in about 20 to 30 seconds. It will be installed. Look how fast it is downloading. Let's go to the main screen, and we can see directly on the air that you see our application is installed. You need to wait 10 seconds more. It's absolutely free. So let's wait a little bit. Click Open. The app opens. After that, we can either log into an existing account here, or we can re-register. This is how easy and simple it can be done. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Write comments. See you later. Bye.